Hi. Today I'm going to introduce a flesh cupping modality to treating the frozen shoulder. The frozen shoulder are always with the signs and symptoms of the limitation of the range of motion, and also the client will feel pain come and go during the bad weather. So now the patient has frozen shoulder on this side. I'm going to use the flesh cupping, which is cupping. I put it on and I peel it off. I put it on and peel it off as a flesh. That's why it's called flesh cupping. So now I'm lighting up the cotton, and this is a glass cupping. Switch to the other one. If I keep using same cupping, it's gonna too hot and burning the patient. So now we see the skin become reddish. That means the blood circulation is boosted. That's it. Now I'm going to use some additional acupuncture needle to help the patient more, to boosting the circulation, also to move qi and energy in this local area, also to facilitate the movement of the range of motion. Sterilize. Here, right? Now you got the sensation?
Yeah.
Now I'm going to use ginger inhalation moxa on your belly button, because you have a chronic diarrhea which was caused by the spleen and the stomach yang deficiency. That means the heat in your digestive system is not enough to break down the food chunk and also form a good loose stool, a good stool, okay?
Yeah.
So this diarrhea was also caused when you eat something like raw and cold food. Okay, or you expose yourself to the cold water or air conditioning too long. That causes the cold accumulation in your belly button area. So I'm going to use a slice of ginger, which is fresh, cut into slices and punch a little hole on it to help the ventilation. I put this on your belly button.
Okay.
And then this is moxa wool. Okay, I'm gonna light it up. There you go. When the time passing, you'll feel more and more heat penetrate into your abdominal cavity. So this was caused by the moxa bastion from this treatment modality, which will help eliminate the cold and the dampness in this area, also restore your digestive system function.
Okay.
Okay? It's gonna take a while.
Okay.
So Frank, you have a rheumatic arthritis at your knee joint, which was caused you have been stay in an environment which is cold, which is windy, which is also dampness. Okay, so this joint has been under the invasion of all the factors I just mentioned. Now you feel the pain, the soreness come and go. Okay, it's weather related. Also, it's an allergic reactive disease. That means your metabolism waste that has been accumulated in the joint cannot be removed away immediately, which causes inflammation. So I'm going to help you with the bird-pecking Moxa bastion. Bird-pecking means the movement like a bird is pecking the food. Okay, so I won't burn you at all. On the contrary, you'll feel a gentle, lasting warming, and this warming is going to penetrate under the skin, which help you eliminate the metabolism waste and restore the joint function. Okay? And before that, I'm going to give you a small TuinaR, okay, to help you. Okay, bend the knee a little bit. Okay, now straighten the knee. Do you feel soreness?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
Strong enough?
Yes.
Okay. And here is another acupuncture point. When I press it, do you have the sensation?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Do you have the heat sensation? It's going to take a while, okay? When the time passing, the heat is going to penetrate under the skin, which is supposed to be. Okay, that's a bird-pecking moxa. My name is YUAN XU. I was graduated from the Toronto School of Traditional Chinese Medicine. I'm a licensed registered acupuncturist in Ontario. Now I'm working as an acupuncturist in Osteo Tuina. I'm very glad to have your attention. Thank you.